Welcome to the Royal Ties Podcast. My name is Clark, the Financial Credit Coach, and I will be bringing you information acquired through first-hand experiences in order to help you increase your credit score, reduce interest rates, increase savings, and eliminate debts. Doing it for the community, from the community, and by community I mean any and everyone who wants to learn and evolve. So let's get right into it. In today's episode, we'll discuss the benefits of building an emergency fund to protect your credit. An emergency fund is a financial safety net that can help you navigate unexpected expenses and financial challenges. Let's dive in and explore how an emergency fund can safeguard your credit. Benefit number 1, protection against debt. See, one of the primary benefits of having an emergency fund is protection against debt. Without a financial cushion, unexpected expenses such as medical bills or car repairs, they can lead to borrowing through credit cards or loans. You definitely want to avoid borrowing through credit cards or loans. That's not the direction you want to go. But that's ultimately what happens, right? So when you end up in a situation where you have to borrow through credit cards or loans, you're not going to be in a good position. So this can increase your debt load and potentially impact your ability to make timely payments, putting your credit at risk. An emergency fund allows you to cover these expected expenses without resorting to debt. So when I say unexpected expenses, obviously it's the things that just pop up, but you don't want to end up saying, okay, I had to take care of this. Now I have this debt to deal with for the next few months. This is why an emergency fund is going to help you avoid that. So the benefit number 2 of it is maintenance of good credit behavior. Your behavior is crucial. I preach it all the time. Instagram, Facebook, lives, everywhere I go. The behavior is what is going to help you get through hard times and evolve the way that you handle money and credit going forward. So building an emergency fund encourages and supports good credit behavior. When you have a safety net in place, you're better equipped to handle unforeseen financial setbacks without derailing your regular bill payments. So when I say without derailing your regular bill payments, you don't want to have to skip one payment in order to make this payment because it's an emergency. No, your emergency fund is specifically for that emergency and keeps you in line with your regular day-to-day bills. So by consistently paying your bills on time, you maintain a positive payment history and you demonstrate responsible credit management. That's what the bank wants to know. Responsible credit management. Remember, I tell you guys things in a way that you can understand it. Very simple. Responsible credit management. That's what the bank needs from you. You give them that, they give you what you need. So with responsible credit management in mind, it's crucial for a healthy credit profile. It's literally the biggest thing that you can do. So the benefit number 3, you got reduced reliance on credit cards. Man, you don't want to have to rely on them. An emergency fund reduces your reliance on credit cards during financial emergencies. Instead of turning to credit cards to cover unexpected expenses, you can use your savings from the emergency fund. This reduces the risk of accumulating high interest debt and allows you to avoid potential credit card fees, penalties, and negative impacts on your credit utilization ratio. So let me go back. It helps you reduce the risk of accumulating high interest debts, and it allows you to avoid potential credit card fees, penalties, and negative impact on your credit utilization ratio. Utilization ratio. I love that word. I can never say it. That word is important. You'll hear more about it later. Don't worry. Benefit number 4, peace of mind. You have the peace of mind and reduce stress. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind and reduces financial stress. Knowing that you have savings set aside for emergencies can alleviate anxiety and worry about how to handle unexpected expenses. This peace of mind can positively impact your overall well-being and enable you to focus on other aspects of your life with greater clarity and confidence. Nothing feels better than knowing that, if an emergency comes up, I have an emergency fund for that. I'm not going to run around in debt trying to use a credit card or get a personal loan. I got it. I have something prepared for that. Trust me, when you get to that stage in life, everything is easier to deal with. Number 5, avoidance of credit score damage. You guys know as a financial credit coach, I'm here to help you guys not only build the structure that you need to keep your credit high, but I want you to avoid ways of damaging your credit. So I think number 5 here is huge. An emergency fund serves as a protective shield for your credit score. By having funds available to cover your unexpected expenses, you can avoid missed payments, late fees, and negative marks on your credit report. These negative items can have a long-lasting impact on your credit score and make it more challenging to access favorable credit terms in the future. What you do today affects tomorrow, and what happens tomorrow affects down the line as well. Yes, we can make changes. Yes, we can make adjustments. But if we can avoid the mistakes, we avoid the headache of what we have to do to recover and fix our score. Number 6, faster recovery from financial setbacks. In times of financial setbacks, and when I say financial setbacks, I mean things that happen. You lose your job, you're sick, health issues. It can be anything. But in times of financial setbacks, an emergency fund allows for faster recovery. Whether it's a sudden job loss or major home repair, having savings to fall back on can help you weather the storm and get back on track more quickly. This can prevent a prolonged period of financial strain and limit the impact on your credit. Impact on your credit. Y'all gonna hear me repeat a lot of things over and over because I want it to stick. Impact on your credit. We don't want that. Number 7, opportunity for future growth. Finally, building an emergency fund creates opportunities for future growth. Yeah. By saving regularly and accumulating a significant emergency fund, you position yourself to achieve other financial goals, such as saving for retirement, buying that first home, starting a business. Yeah. Because I know a lot of you have entrepreneurial goals. This is one of the first steps right here. Work on your credit, work on your finances. Make sure you have that emergency fund because it will help you. So with a solid financial foundation, you can pursue these goals with confidence and minimize the risk of setbacks that could impact your credit. I know I emphasize a lot, but I want you to understand it's super important. In conclusion, building an emergency fund is a vital step to protect your credit and financial well-being. By having a financial safety net, you can avoid debt, maintain good credit behavior, reduce reliance on credit cards, experience peace of mind, avoid credit score damage, recover faster from financial setbacks, and create opportunities for future growth. Create opportunities for future growth. Listen, everything I just talked to you about these past couple minutes is crucial. Play this back. Listen to it. Pay attention to the details. These are things that are going to help you in your day-to-day and help set you up so that that great idea that you have for that business in the future, you have everything ready to go to get there. All you need to do is start your business, talk to a financial coach. Clark, that guy's really good. That's the guy that you should talk to. But anyway, if you talk to that Clark guy, he'll get you set up and you'll be good to go. Anyways, I hope you learned something today. If you did, please like, follow, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's bring financial literacy to an end. Have a great day. Financial literacy, man. This is what it is. Ciao. My name is Clark, the financial coach, and my motto is simple. Pay attention or pay for lack of attention. Please follow me at Clark, the financial coach on Instagram.